An object accelerates from rest with velocity and attains velocity 27.5 meter per second in 10 seconds. Then find the distance covered in the next 10 seconds. Okay, let us try to first visualize this question and then we'll try to answer the question. See, what's given is, say for example, from A to C with intermediate B, say A to B is 10 seconds and from B to C the time interval is 10 seconds. Now, if we consider the motion for the time interval AB, mind you, AB is not the distance moved, it's the time interval. So, for the time interval AB, what can we write the equation of motion as? V is equal to U plus AT. What is V? It is given that the body has attained 27.5 meter per second. What is U? U here is 0. Why? Because it's given the question that it is from rest. So that becomes 0 plus A into T. How many seconds is the interval? It is 10 seconds. Which means, what is the value of acceleration? Acceleration is 27.5 meter per second per 10 second, which is basically 2.75 meter per second square. Now, we should understand that the body at this point has an acceleration, or for that matter, body throughout the motion has an acceleration of 2.75 meter per second square. But for the time interval BC, the velocity of the body here becomes 27.5 meter per second, right? Why? Because at this point B, the question says that the velocity is 27.5 meter per second. In which case, what would be the displacement time relation? It would be S is equal to ut plus half AT square. What is U? U is 27.5 meter per second into what is time? Now, the next time interval for BC is again 10 seconds. So that becomes into 10 plus half into what is acceleration? Acceleration is 2.75 and what is T square is 10 square. So this basically becomes 270. Excuse me. So it becomes 275 plus. So 2.75 into 10 square becomes 2.75 into 100 by 2. This further becomes 275 plus 275 by 2, right? So this can be calculated as 275 by 2 is 2 times 1 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 15, 7 2s are 14. So we can have is 137.5. So this becomes 275 plus 137.5. So 275 plus 137.5 gives you 7 5s are 12, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1 8 plus 3 11, 2 plus 1 4, 412.5 meters. So the correct option is option C.